Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for our second Instant Pot episode, I am making shrimp scampi in the Instant Pot. And once it's pressurized, it only takes 3 minutes to cook. So if you guys love this recipe and Instant Pots, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing I did is take my Instant Pot and put it on the saute mode. And now that I think it's a little bit hot, I'm gonna go ahead and take some avocado oil and put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of it, just so nothing sticks to the bottom. And then I'm gonna take some onions. I've diced it all up already, add it to my Instant Pot, and wait to give it a little bit of color. All right, so the onions are a little bit translucent now, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my few cloves of minced garlic. And then I'm gonna add a few spices, not that many, some crushed red pepper. And again, this is kind of up to your preference. I'm just gonna do that much. And then some smoked paprika. Again, up to your preference. But this isn't really spicy, it just gives it a nice color. And then salt and pepper. All right, give it a good mix. And then add in 2 pounds of shrimp. So I buy this shrimp from Costco that's already deveined, cleaned up, and then I just come home, defrost it, and take off the tail. So I'm gonna just cook this for a few minutes just to kind of cook off some of that raw flavor, and then we'll add in the rest of our ingredients. All right, so it's been about 5-6 minutes, and you can tell all the shrimps are now pink, not that translucent color anymore. And next, we're gonna add our veggie stock. So I made this dish completely pescatarian friendly, so I'm gonna add some veggie stock. This is just water. So 3 cups of water, and then I like to use this Better Than Bouillon vegetable stock paste. So I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of this in here. All right, so that looks good. My vegetable stock is in. Now I'm gonna add in a half of a lemon. Just gonna squeeze it right on top. And then I also like to serve the dish with additional slices of lemon. All right, and next I take my pasta. So I've already measured out 12 ounces of angel hair pasta, and then I like to break it in half. Okay, too much. All right. And then one key thing is that you want to make sure that your pasta is completely submerged and that they're not sticking together. So each of the pasta sticks are coated in the vegetable stock. All right, so all the pasta is submerged, and I went ahead and stirred it so that they're not sticking together. Just close the lid, put it on sealing, and then down here, all I do is put it on the high pressure, manual, and then it's only 3 minutes. And then I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like when it's done. All right, welcome back. So my Instant Pot just beeped, and now I'm gonna open it and show you guys what it looks like. Ooh, all right, let me give it a good stir. All right, so you can tell that the pasta is cooked perfectly. It's a little bit on the soupy side, so either I added a little too much water when I was adding in the shrimp, so just be careful of that. And then also my shrimp was a little bit still frozen, and so if you do use shrimp, just make sure it defrost all the way so it doesn't add liquid. So next, I'm just gonna add a couple more ingredients just for some toppings. So these are capers. I'm gonna add a little bit of capers. And then this is just dried parsley, just a little garnish. Give it a little green. All right. Okay, perfect. You are ready to serve. So I have myself a little bowl. I'm gonna grab a shrimp, grab my bowl, and there you go. And then when I serve it with a couple slices of lemon too. So let me go ahead and wait for this to cool down. All right, so I've got a perfect bite of some capers, pasta, and a little shrimp. So, that is so, so good. You've got a nice shrimp flavor throughout the whole thing because of the shrimps. And then the caper gives it a nice tang. And then I don't know if you can tell, but all of the pasta is nice. It's not sticking together, perfectly al dente, which is how I like to cook my pasta. And this honestly took about 5 minutes to prep. Just have to kind of clean the shrimp and then chop everything. It's only really chopping the onions. And then you can see it took like 30 minutes, maybe 20 minutes to cook, because once it pressurizes, it's only like 3 minutes. This is delicious, perfect for a weekday dinner, and your family is going to love it. So if you guys love this recipe, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.